it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end of it you'll want to become friends and hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, thank you so much for joining me for another video. I have the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for March 2022. Yes, it's March. I keep forgetting. And it is now, I want to say $28 or something like that, because you get billed like $30 or something. So I have add-ons in here as well, and I don't remember what I chose. So this should be interesting. This, of course, is a monthly subscription. It has beauty products, skincare products, makeup products, that kind of thing. All right, I do see my add-ons. Okay. Here is what the bag looks like. They don't give you the one with the prices anymore, so I will have to put the prices on the screen for you. I did not finish doing my makeup because I'm expecting there to be some in here. All right. Oh, I hope I got makeup. Do I have makeup? All right, so what does the card say? You call the shots with add-ons. Power moves. Okay. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing I see is the Yensa Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask. This actually works really well. I already have it. So I'm not going to open it up, but, I mean like the inside. But this is what it looks like, and it does calm down the skin. Like, it's got turmeric in it. You could totally tell it has turmeric in it. And the pumpkin as well. It does a nice exfoliation, but then it helps even out skin tone, which I think is nice. Okay, so far so good. Let's see what else. The Vibrant C12 Wrinkle Serum. I really, really like serums that have vitamin C in them. I do notice that they make the skin a little bit brighter. So if you've got hyperpigmentation or acne scars or anything like that. Oh, by the way, if you do have an acne scar, aloe. Put aloe on it after you put whatever treatment on, and it will minimize the scarring, like fresh aloe. Just so you know. All right, let's open her up. Let's see what she really got. Ooh, it's a heavy bottle. Here it is here. Let's see. It's got a pump. Ooh. Okay, not really a scent, but it's definitely lightweight. Okay, there's a tiny bit of a scent. Not real good, but it's all right. Okay, so 2 down. Then we have an Anastasia Brow Wiz. Yes, I do like these a lot. This one here is medium brown. So we're going to open her up and swatch her. I have not used a Brow Wiz in a while. I'm a Benefit girl. I really like that. This has the spoolie on one side. Okay, let's do a nice swatch. I like because these are not that creamy, so you can get more hair-like strokes that way, easier. Okay, so that is that. Okay, 3 down. Excited. All right, let's see. Okay, Pink Lips Loose Setting Powder. Oh, good, I didn't put on setting powder yet. All right. I actually just tried out the new Makeup Forever HD foundation. I'll be uploading that too. Packaging is pretty basic. I think this is, was it banana? Was it supposed to be banana? It just says loose setting powder, 25G. It's vegan, all that fun stuff. All right, let's lift this up. Put a little bit in the cap. Okay. It's weird, it doesn't look like powder, like little balls came out almost. That's kind of interesting. Okay, so let me grab a powder brush. Swirl it. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, it's weird. I guess it's the way it settled in there. There's no like perfumey scent or heavy scent. It definitely feels like it smoothed out my skin more. I'm liking that a lot. Okay, All right, 4 out of 5, so good. Let's check. I'm pretty sure this is an eyeshadow palette. Oh no, it's a highlight powder. MOTD highlight powder. Okay. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's got a little band on it. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I like her. Ooh. Yeah, let's see. A little bit. Oh, it's creamy and it blends in nice. I mean, it's a creamy powder. It's not like a cream. All right. Well, I like that. So before we get to my add-ons, let's go ahead and recap what we got here. The Yensa Pumpkin and Turmeric Polishing Mask. The Vitamin C Wrinkle Serum. The Brow Wiz. The Setting Powder. And the Highlight. Not bad. I'm liking that. Now, I saw a few people were not happy with IPSY this month. So I'm not really sure what the other variations look like. But I can tell you, I'm not mad at mine. All right, so now we can move on to the add-ons and do some eyeshadow. Ready? Let me get everything. Okay, so for the add-ons, I got the big comb because when I'm putting conditioner on my daughter's hair or when I'm combing my hair while it's wet, I don't want it to break. So I got one of these, and it's been a while since I've had one of these, but these really do work well. Like shower combs too, if you comb your hair in the shower, if you're one of those that does that. This was only a couple bucks, so I'm liking that. And I like the fact that it has the hook on it too. Then I got Becky G's brand. Ta-da! I was so excited to see these on there. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness, which one is this? Beautiful Bella. Ooh. Very basic packaging and very small. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, but these are cute. This is cute, right? Let me see. Resilient Alma. Wow, her packaging is very cheap. Okay. And here's that. So here are the two. I do have MAC Paint Pot on my eyes, so I'm just going to go ahead and dip into these. We're going to do a quick eye look. This is the same color right here. That should be noted. There's one in here that is the exact same. And then these look exactly the same. Maybe a tiny bit different. Let's see what it says. Oh no, it is the same. Alma and Vibrant are in both of these palettes, and then Hustle and Bella are new here, and Unstoppable and Resilient. Wow, that's weird. I guess she added the mattes so you would have a combination of mattes and shimmers, or she added one. Yeah, I don't know. I'm guessing that's what she did. All right, let me grab a brush and let me grab a different brush. Let's go ahead and go in with this crown brush here. I'm going to just start off with this lightest color over here. I'm going to place the color down and go back in and blend. Okay, let's see how it blends out. It's Morphe times Jaclyn Hill. I like to do circular motions, and I also like to flick my shadow towards the eye as opposed to away from it. It just helps the eyeshadow not go down that far to where you're having to clean it up because your eye's drooping. You know what I mean? Okay, well this blended out good. Alright, alright. Alright, I'm just going to dip this blending brush into this matte brown. We're going to see. I'm going to start right here though because that's where I want the most pigment. Okay, this brown has got a different, let me see, the undertone. It's like a burgundy undertone. He says how it looks in the lighting. It's blending out nicely, and it is pretty. Definitely darkest right where I put it, which is where you want the most pigment, in the middle of the eye, not down here, because then you're blending and you could just get a mess. Okay, so interesting. I'm going to take my finger into this because it looks gorgeous. Okay, yeah, it is pretty. Ooh, okay. That's pretty. I like that. Still a lot on my finger. Okay. And let's go in with the gold. Ooh, wow. Okay. Ooh, that is pretty. And it's nice and pigmented. Ooh, okay. Let me catch up with the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I put the green down here just so you guys could see what it looks like. They blended out super well. I do think that the mattes were probably put in here so you didn't have an all shimmer palette and look for something for a transition, which is probably a neat idea. I would have liked to have been different colors maybe, but then again, these colors do go well together, so can't be mad at it. They blended well. I'm excited. It's compact enough to take it with you should you decide to go someplace. And I ran out of lashes, so I'm like, Karen must go to the store and buy lashes. But anyhow, didn't finish my face because I have more unboxings to do and I want to see what else I can play around with. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Guys, if you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I will do my very best to answer them for you. And I will see you guys really soon in another video.